Be the church?
Yes, it's Be the Church. But
oh yeah, and the other said 15, Romans 13.
Yeah.
I like those shirts.
Interesting.
I don't know if I can get that, if you can see that. But we're in Barrie Lakeshore area, the lake's right there. And there's a festival going on. What's the festival called?
It's for Canada Day.
Canada Day 150. We're celebrating Canada 150.
In Barrie.
In Barrie, Ontario, near Simcoe Lake. What do they call? What's the
Lakeshore? We just
no.
the area? What?
What's the nickname for Barrie? Don't tell me nothing about B-Town. Yes, Beth.
I'm not even sure what they call it, truthfully.
Yeah, call it B-Town in order to.
I know.
No, I don't know. I don't know what they call it, really. Just Barrie.
Ja's Urban Flex.
Oh yeah, they're out of control.
We're gonna go in there.
No, we're not.
Why are they out of
Come
control?
on.
What's going on? It's going on YouTube. So,
Okay.
do you have any reviews?
I've never been in, so I can't really say. Some fun people come out of there.
Oh, then never mind. But we have to park. That but means that we have to park.
Going in. Are we going in?
No, we
No,
don't have to.
go around the
Oh,
bend.
let me show you guys. So their festival are going, purse a sell, sitting things they rights and kids and celebration and things. Them have things about. It's the big lake.
I need a friend with a boat.
You need a what?
A friend with a boat.
Yeah, so do I.
Well, I don't know what he was doing.
Maybe thought you were just gonna go.
No, I was waiting for him to go.
So there's condos here. I didn't think there was like big buildings in Barrie.
Condos are gorgeous.
Yeah.
You missed that.
Yeah, I think I did a little bit. It looks like a native thing.
Yes, it is.
That's dope. What if the Transformers go?
You know
Okay.
what?
It looks like a Transformers sign.
It does. It does look like
I
a
know.
Transformers. It does.
They're here, you know, just not know. They are.
Transformers?
They're here, man, Transformers.
Optimus?
I can't tell you. I can't tell you where they are, though. Bumblebee is definitely here.
Making it up.
I'm not.
Really
I am not. I know them.
You
Okay?
know them.
Optimus and I are
making it up.
friends. Okay? Me and Bumblebee are brethren, eh?
Oh my gosh.
Oh, try your best.
You know this. You're making it up.
Me and Bumblebee are
Go for the
brethren.
video.
Yeah, okay, alright. You sound like my son. He's gonna be cool in the video. Are you serious?
Oh my god.
Oh, Father.
We need to.
So, huh?
We need to make friends down here.
Yeah, these condos are sweet as. How much are they? You know what?
They are.
Might purchase one.
Not for money.
And rent it out.
Hey, you would love it, and you definitely make a killing. You should do Airbnb. You do Airbnb up here because people love to come up to Barrie. So when they come up and
Hold
they
on.
stay,
Did she just say people love to come up to Barrie?
yes, they love to. They love to come up to Barrie. Love.
Why?
Because Barrie is a beautiful. It's a home away from home.
Bumblebee lives here.
That's right.
And
Don't even get
Optimus.
twisted.
Carrie
Optimus
and Bumblebee are brethren.
we are brethren.
Just Chitara live here.
Just who?
Chitara.
You're just a hater.
You don't
You're
know
a
Chitara is
hater.
in B-Town?
You're a hater, but that is my heart.
No, Batman's in B-Town
Yes,
though.
Batman.
Batman's in
Batman's
B-Town.
on your town, yeah.
Yeah.
Only me wanted Chitara. That's my friends. When we were playing, I was Chitara. Don't watch. I was the only girl. That was the only role I
You know what? I played guitar, you know that? I did.
See?
I did also.
Oh, she knows Bumblebee. Now
Hey,
she wants to
listen.
jump on the Chitara train.
Carrie's
I
claiming
played.
everybody.
No,
Soon
I-
she's gonna claim Wonder Woman, guy.
Oh, no, I am Wonder Woman. Try your best.
End the video right now. End it! End it right now! Blasphemous information! End the video.
Did you not know Wonder Woman was black? There's enough of us, eh? We are all Wonder Women. I am.
I know. Now she
Because
wants
that's
to
what friends
include
do.
us.
I'm including you. We're all Wonder Women. Every last one of us.
Is that water?
Yes. We go under it.
I know. There's
No,
not
I'm
water
not trying to be
spraying
No,
up.
seriously, that's
I
what
know
we-
you're like,
we go
that's
under
not
the tree.
water.
You walk over there and it's a continuous spray, but it's so nice.
You're not blowing the horn.
Not to me.
You could never. Sorry.
Ever.
I did that part.
That's okay.
Never. Okay, so we're coming up to water.
This
Well,
is-
like you've never seen water before.
No,
but it's
like,
beautiful here. It's a lake. People are sitting down and
Just trying
doing
to find
something
a spot
underneath
so
the
you can
tent.
see.
But why are we getting it? There's a trail, right? Because you know, I don't walk on grass.
Yeah. See, everyone part bad though.
I know, because they're
walk
building
on
up
the
even
grass.
more, so they've like totally.
Got no handicap.
See this little ticket right here, because I live in Barrie, I don't have to pay for the parking.
Oh.
Yes,
Okay.
Mm-mm.
Oh, how are you
Especially
getting
when
out of
they
your
have
car?
festivals.
I have Discovery, the
No, turn to
Discovery
your right.
card
Turn
thing
to your right. Look,
that you're supposed to. Yeah, I see that. So how are they gonna climb into that one? Sucks to be you. I have this Discovery thing that I got in the mail.
Yeah.
Free parking for the year,
It's not-
this year, 2017, because it's Canada's
No, but if it's not,
150
if the
birthday.
person doesn't have the symbol on it,
So
I can't give them a ticket.
it's
I'm
free
not
parking
an
to
officer.
certain and certain
you can
parks.
call it in.
And since we're in bush country,
Right.
I'm
Wanna call
sure
it in?
Why?
that the parks
Pointless.
up here,
I'm
I
sorry,
can
we're
use
having a
them
conversation about that.
in.
We started doing it again.
It's okay. Yeah, so even if we didn't have that, must can use this.
Because we have a lot of
Stafford.
guests and travelers that come into Barrie, they also want to make sure that they take care of their Barrientonians. Yes, they want to make sure they take care of us and make sure that we also are that welcoming when people take our parking spots and like, yeah, I'm find a parking. Sure.
I'm saying parallel.
Like, are you kidding me right now? I am outdone.
Oh my god. You gonna park right here?
Can I get over? No, because I can't even walk over to.
Can you get over the
Well, because they're gonna build a bridge over here, but I don't think it's done.
No, we're good. I don't really need to get out.
Yeah, we don't really need to get out. We like what we see.
Watch, see Bumblebee cousin in front of us. You guys
Oh my
didn't
god.
believe me,
Look
man.
at which year? Which year?
Bumblebee's cousin
This is
in
like a
front.
long distance got it twice removed.
Are you hearing me?
You seeing this right now? Are
Bumblebee's
you guys seeing
cousin,
this?
like,
Bumblebee's
No
cousin
bells.
is in
Saying
front of us.
Bumble-
He's turning right now. Watch, you guys didn't believe me. Bumblebee lives up here. His family's up here, man.
This is the
Watch
cousin
all
twice
that. This is the
removed.
cousin.
Though. Like, you know that cousin.
I can't believe this right now.
You know when your
Right?
auntie, you know your mom tells you
Look,
about that
two
aunt?
words.
Whoa,
True
whoa,
words.
whoa, whoa, whoa,
True
whoa, whoa.
words.
Say what's up. Say what's
Hi.
up. It's
Disrespect. Absolutely. He's Stacy. Look at him.
See,
He's borrowing Bumblebee cousin,
That
and he has
is
the
the
nerve
cousin
not to
that
say
You
hello.
don't want to see
No
at the
manners.
family reunion, but they're always there first.
But they're always-
long hands and empty belly looking for food and complaining the food's not ready. Listen, our time was 4 o'clock. Why are you here at 2 in the afternoon?
Oh my
That's what we
god.
just saw.
This is what I'm talking about.
Just crossing, not even looking, eh?
Hold on. This girl, you see they're walking? There's nobody coming from down there. But she put her hand up to say hold on to the people down here instead of putting her hand to say hold on to us. She wasn't looking at us, you know. She went like this. Oh no.
So there's a massive trail
You're gonna get
all the way
licked
from one
down.
end all the way to the opposite end that I used to run and walk for exercise in the morning.
Yeah.
And they have their elliptical machines also as well. You can stop
Outside?
and do, like, outside.
Oh, that's like
It's
us.
beautiful.
Like us.
Yeah, you
Or are
guys
you
have
just
to
saying that, Beth Ann?
No.
Oh. That's like
There's trails in Brampton
That's
where you
beautiful.
can stop and do little.
Like look at this
And Toronto
beautiful
has
lake.
it too.
Yeah.
Look at this beautiful lake.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
You know, there's certain spots in certain areas you can
Okay,
actually
yeah,
go
it's
and you
beautiful.
can sit, just relax. And there's an area over there where I feed the dogs to bring the kids down. It's a
We
lot.
could feed ducks
We
in Port
can.
Credit.
Really? Oh, hush.
Yeah, we
Do
have
you
that.
though?
We have
Do you
that,
though?
Miss Saga.
Do you though? You
We
go
have that,
guys.
Miss Saga.
Woo!
$5 if you put someone's phone.
Oh.
No.
Cyclists.
Got your foot in it?
No, I have it. Oh, go train, come all the way up here, sir.
There's some machines.
Bet you this is the line that never breaks down though.
I know, right?
I would finally get a GO train up here.
That's
So
good.
it's actually kind of cool.
That's progress.
This is South Shore Center where people have different events and things. And it's really, really beautiful
really
inside.
bringing
My
us
friend
on a
actually
tour.
did her reception in there. It was gorgeous. But yeah, so they're building all up over here. I cannot wait till it's done because it's going to be fantastic. If anybody's ready to move, I highly suggest move to Barrie. It's really not as far as you think. It's not. And our 400 is way
I know, right?
401 east or west.
Hold on. 400 is better?
400 is way better. The only time it is busy, is cottage country. That is it. In the week, you are perfect. You guys, on the other hand, when I come into the city, onto the 401 or the 401 west or east, oh my gosh, no. I want to run away. They need to get that under control. It's out of control.
Well, I'm not gonna disagree.
Because you know.
I'm not gonna disagree.
That is why people run from the city. They come to Barrie or further north. They're
because
like,
you're dealing with a bigger population.
This is very. I'm dealing with a bigger and mad population.
So
some of them are crazy out there.
I'm not gonna disagree.
So now we're coming up toward Young Street, which is also Highway 11.
So,
and as everybody knows, Highway 11 goes all the way even into the States. It's like the longest street.
It's the longest street ever. In Canada.
Yeah.
North America. I don't know. Maybe North America.
Maybe
North America. This random bottle in the middle of the road.
Did we already pass through downtown, Barrie?
Right.
Was that
we
it?
We can go.
Oh, you mean that one little strip was downtown,
No,
Barrie?
it goes far all the way down, but we can't turn anywhere because they've locked
So we couldn't go the back way?
It'd be hard. Well, you still wouldn't be able to really see it. I mean, it's just a lot of different shops and restaurants, and there's amazing restaurants up here.
Okay.
See this one here, Urban Dish.
Mm-hmm.
I love that restaurant. It's very quaint, and it's like very comfortable, and not a lot of seating, but it's beautiful. The food is fantastic.
All right. We're by the house, no?
Mm-hmm.
The original Barrie burger.
Their burgers are out of control. They're thick and they're sweet. Yeah. Meat heaven over there. Why are you not eating it?
No reason.
That's just
I'm just taking it in. These places look like plantation. Did you see that, Bethan? Look like plantation.
I have to cut back and go around again because I have to get gas. And I get my gas at Costco. It's cheaper. It is.
I have a Costco near me, but no gas station there.
You gotta find one with a gas station. I guarantee you it's cheaper.
Well, I need to find my Costco card first.
Well, when I can't find mine, I let them know that it was left at home. And they say, no problem. They won't even question you. And
Really?
they'll help you. Yes, they will. They will. Costco people are wonderful. Thank you, Costco.
Maybe up in here in Barrie.
You're probably right. Our Costco people then in Barrie are fantastic. This is done, eh?
It tastes good.
Oh my gosh, that's so good.
You finish yours, Bethan?
I have a little drizzle inside
The
here.
drizzle? But watch it.
Really?
What?
You're not supposed to get drink if you're hungry.
I'm nursing it. I'm nursing
Why
it.
you nurse everything?
I'm savoring.
Really? You know what?
I take a drink and I put it down.
You're gonna be like, get off. You're like, hurry up. That's what's gonna happen. What you're nursing it. I'm nursing. No, I want you to get off. I want you to get off. That's what you're gonna do. What you're nursing it.
Oh, God.
Did you get it? Are you nursing? How's nursing that? But you're like, this thing you see
Still apply.
Does the rule still apply?
Left me.
Bay Point. This is where it's called Big Bay.
Big Point.
Big Bay Point.
Big Bay Point.
Yes. Oh, I should show you guys the house that we used to live at. That's further that way. That way.
Big Bay Point.
Our fire department, our lovely firemen. Oh my.
Is that your only fire department? Oh.
No. There's quite a few other ones in Barrie, yes, but on our end, that's the closest one, thank God.
Chinese food.
Really?
What's your store name?
Chinese food. The restaurant is called Chinese food.
That's not a registered business.
You know what? There's a new owner there, so that's why.
Instead of my little sign that says Chinese food.
They don't need, that's all you need to know. That's what it is.
That Chinese delight.
So what do you
Chinese
guys sell
something.
here?
Chinese food.
No, but what's your store name?
Chinese food.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
At the food party
I'm
box.
crying.
You know.
I know.
Reach inside. If you want, you can put it here.
Chinese food.
Matthew,
Huh?
if you want, you can put something.
Oh my god. I'm on